Good morning kids, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at home. Myself Pragya from Shiv Jyoti Educational Group of Kota. So kids, today we are going to learn the new concept, that is above and below. Above means के ऊपर, किसी चीज के ऊपर at a higher position, when any object is at higher position, and below means के नीचे, किसी चीज के नीचे. Okay, when any object is under or at a lower position. For example, where is the aeroplane? The aeroplane is below the cloud. Where is the aeroplane? The aeroplane is below the cloud. So kids, here the aeroplane is flying below the cloud. The aeroplane is flying under or at a lower position without touching the cloud. So that's why we can say that the aeroplane is below the cloud. Okay. Now look here. Where is the aeroplane? The aeroplane is above the cloud. The aeroplane is above the cloud. Now here the aeroplane is flying at a higher position without touching the cloud. Okay. Now kids, we will do an exercise. So take out your mathematics book and open page number 3 and mention date and classwork at the top. Now kids, first we will read question. Tick like this the object which is above and cross like this the object which is below. So here we have to tick the object which is above and cross the object which is below. Okay, so look at the first one. Where is the bird? The bird is above the tree. Now kids, here the bird is flying above the tree. The bird is flying at a higher position without touching the tree. Okay, so that's why we can say that the bird is above the tree. Now where is the boy? The boy is below the tree. The boy is below the tree. Now here the boy is sitting under or at a lower position without touching the tree. So that's why we can say that the boy is below the tree. Now we will take the object that is above and cross the object that is below. Okay. Now look at the next one. Where is the fan? The fan is above the table. The fan is above the table. And where is the toy? The toy is below the table. The toy is below the table. Okay, so we will take the object that is above like this and cross the object that is below like this. Okay. Now come to next one. Where is the clock? The clock is above the window. The clock is above the window. And where is the flower pot? The flower pot is below the window. The flower pot is below the window. So here we will take the object that is above and cross the object that is below like this. Okay. Now look at the last one. Where is the hot air balloon? The hot air balloon is above the tree. The hot air balloon is above the tree. Kids, here the hot air balloon is flying at a higher position without touching the tree. So that's why we can say that the hot air balloon is above the tree. And now here, where are the kids? The kids are below the tree. The kids are below the tree. Now here kids are playing under or at a lower position without touching the tree. So, that is why we can say that the kids are below the tree. Okay? So, we will take the object that is above and cross the object that is below. Okay kids, so in this way you have to do this exercise on page number 3 in your mathematics book. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.